Hey everyone, we are new to crypto and we're curious about Phantom Wallet. In this video, we show you how to use Phantom Wallet, from setting it up to sending, receiving, and managing your crypto safely. Phantom Wallet is a popular self-custodial crypto wallet and browser extension for managing digital assets, NFTs, and using decentralized applications. It was first built for the Solana blockchain, but now also supports Ethereum, Polygon, and Bitcoin. It lets us swap between blockchains and stake crypto. Phantom Wallet helps us securely store, send, and receive cryptocurrency, mainly on the Solana blockchain. We can also use it to interact with decentralized apps, swap tokens, stake crypto, and manage digital assets while keeping full control of our funds. Let's get started. First, we open our browser and go to phantom.com. We download it. Download it on Chrome since we're using Chrome. If we're using another browser, we can select the right extension. Once we have installed the extension, we click it to see the design pattern. In the extension, click it again to open the side panel. Here, we see the Phantom Wallet. In this panel, we can send or withdraw funds, swap tokens, or receive crypto to add to our wallet. We can also buy crypto and access the Phantom terminal here. It may say, "Read this to load." Under this panel, we see our tokens, collectibles, and settings. We can access our settings and hold multiple accounts by adding and managing them. Under the main menu, we can send to addresses like Lightmo, Eduio, or Bitcoin. We just choose the token and swap payment as needed. The swap page is available here too. Once our Phantom terminal is loaded, we can check market details like market caps, prices, and volumes. All the details are here. For receiving, we can get Solana, Ethereum, and other tokens. Just enter the endpoint. For example, if we pick Solana, a QR code will appear for easy transactions. We can buy crypto from the same screen. This is our Phantom Wallet. Now, we know how to use Phantom Wallet to send, receive, and manage crypto with confidence. Always remember to keep your recovery phrase very secure. Double-check all transactions before confirming.